just killed a man, she's my
Any pain. Look what you done.